你也不会知道，失去的就已经失去。当一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。
25分钟，等一下，等一下。睡觉是我影响你啊，是你影响我。
当一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们任何的夜里，我会告别我自己，因为我不知道，我也不想知道，和相聚之间的距离。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。在美的银河坠入山谷的梦里，我会醒来也忘记梦境，因为你不知道，你也不会知道，失去的就已经失去。当一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。 艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。在每个繁星抛弃银河的夜里，我会告别我自己，因为我不知道，我也不想知道，和相聚之间的距离。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。在每个银河坠入山谷的梦里，我会醒来也忘记梦境，因为你不知道，你也不会知道，失去的就已经失去。当一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。在每个繁星抛弃银河的夜里，我会告别我自己，因为我不知道，我也不想知道，和相聚之间的 距离。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。在每个银河坠入山谷的梦里，我会醒来也忘记梦境，因为你不知道，你也不会知道，失去的就已经失去。当一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。当一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。在每个繁星抛弃银河的夜里，我会告别我自己，因为我不知道，我也不想知道，和相聚之间的距离。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。在每个银河坠入山谷的梦里，我会醒来也忘记梦境，因为你不知道，你也不会知道，失去的就已经失去。当一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为 声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，就像你不知道这竟是结局。当一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，当一个人成了谜。
Hello. Hi everyone, good afternoon.
不知道他们为何。
Welcome to my live. Gonna share my screen very soon.
就像你不知道这
Hear my voice
竟是
clearly and
结
see my screen very clearly much. The data package to see whether today's result is good or not. Otherwise, yeah, need to find out other ways.
告别我自己，因为我不知道，我也不想知道，
End
和
of the
相
world.
聚之间的
Nice song. Nice. The song is 后会有期。后会有期。Sorry.
当
Yeah, from
一辆
G.
车
Yeah.
消失天际，
Yeah. Hi everybody. To feedback if you can hear me clearly and see my screen
一个人
clearly.
成了谜。
Okay.
你不知道他们为何离去， 就像你。
Think most of you can see me, can hear me clearly. Yeah, hi, Ferry, and welcome. Okay, and Joey, Lamb, and Pun. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear me clearly? You keep sending your shares, no problem. Also give me some feedback if the internet is not stable. Okay, thank you, Malcolm. So everybody can hear me very clearly. Thank you very much. Today is Wednesday, November. Okay, Tiong. Okay, Mr. Ong. Okay, today is November 6th. November 6th, Friday already. Today also have many things coming. Tonight, the US will have the non-farm payroll happened. This one will will influence the decision of the federal, okay? Because we know the US elections still haven't come to a result, although the Mr. Biden still lead another 6 votes to win the election, but still haven't announced. But actually, the market already give a faction, right? Very strong bounce back in different market, not only in Malaysia one. Malaysia also bounced back to 1,500 yesterday. It's mainly driven by the plantation, also technology, right? And today we have healthcare sector, also not bad. But which concept drives it up? So later on we will talk about it. And also, this is a live shares stock shares analysis program. So everyone can analyze your share, okay, by sending your shares to me. Okay, if you're the first time to watch my live, here's the way to analyze your share. You can just WhatsApp your share code number and entry price and the trading cycle to 011-1652-7962 to 011-1652-7962. Then I can give you the details of your share, okay? But more focus on the technical side. Yeah, we purely focus on the technical side. And also, Homely is mainly for offer the training and the software. So this video is also purely for study and discussion, not for call buy and sell. Everyone need to trade with your own risk and make your own independent thinking, your own independent decision. Okay, so we can take a look about the Dow first. Okay, and yeah, the effect, okay, influenced by the election, and also the federal recently also have a important announcement, which all of these elements will influence the market. So we see Dow Jones first. Dow Jones is still in this very strong bounce back, right? Very strong bounce back after this reversal appeared before. Before we just use this the KDJ, we can just use the KDJ reversal to check. And yesterday also have a strong rebound. So it's 1.9% of the index. Actually, it's very good one. Open high and close high. And we can use this Homely Rainbow from Homely Software. You can also see that it gets support by this white line there before, right? If you have this KDJ, you can make it as a signal. So you can see the blue color is a reversal. So you can just buy short term after it disappeared and the price can break it out, right? The last candle. And now yesterday, overbought also appeared, means overbuying, the investor overbuying the shares. Excuse me. Okay, the overbuying the shares. So everybody needs to be careful. So means that if you haven't bought before, you can wait for 1 year. Okay, wait for 1 year. If you have it already, you just focus when the overbought will have finished. For example, from the previous regularity, after the last candle of yellow candle disappeared, means the overbought already finished. So later on, if the candlestick break down the last candle, then it's the time to sell. So here's a sell point for short term. Here's also a sell point for short term. At the same time, we can draw a line. Okay, so very close to this resistance, but still have some space. So we still trust then this overbought will consecutive for a few days. Okay, so this is one for Dows, and of course, and this one is this shares will influenced by the election, but also the federal also have a very strong support for the current market. But we know that it seems that the federal have used all the tools to stimulate the market, okay, but still have something. We can take a look at this one. The federal says virus poses considerable risks, so maintaining low rate pledge. Actually, Malaysia one also keeps the interest rate didn't decrease, right? Didn't decrease. So this one in this article, so the Powell said here, hold it there, boy. I will let you see. Hey, hold on. So yeah, you can also take this for reference in the Wall Street Journal. Okay, Wall Street Journal. I think here. Okay, here. So this week, federal officials continue to discuss. Okay, I will make it bigger. Okay, it says they will discuss this week over how to provide more support to the economy should be recent rebound fizzle. Okay, if the recent rebound failed like this. So Mr. Powell said they could do this by adjusting their purchases of $120 billion amounts in treasury and mortgage-backed securities needed. So this one is also showed the confidence or shows the way he want to be more benefit to the market if the because now in America the election result haven't come out yet, but actually already have a lot of chaos happened in around the White House, right? So Powell just want to make the investor more confirmed, okay, in this uncertainty area, in this uncertainty time. So this is good news to the stock market. So, and also most of the investors will also have more confidence considering the fiscal stimulus package haven't reached out yet. Okay, so this is one for reference. And now we also take a look about the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, okay, which is the technology sector. So very strong bounce back, very strong back yesterday, last night 2.59%. Okay, and also we know that the financial report of most of the big technical technology companies have very good financial report. Okay, so if you put the mouse here in the previous high, it just reached to the previous high already. So stronger than the Dow, always, as always. And also banker chips also, the profitable effect is 37%, keep increasing. Okay, before kind of a decreasing, but now increasing compared to Dow. Dow don't have profitable effect for a while already, like KLCI. Okay, like KLCI. So hope you can break out, then you still have a more chance to buy. And in this area, recent week is also a very good chance for you to average down some very good technology shares. Okay, technology shares, because before you also have some correction. For example, we can take a look. For example, this one. This is Zoom. Zoom also one of the one. Okay. So yesterday have buy point, and banker tips are 56% or 56%. Okay, banker tips will also always lead these funds. Okay, to double confirm your trend. And okay, so this is one, and also maybe some people want to, some investors want to take a look about the Tesla. We can also take a look Tesla. Tesla also inside bear, but still have some resistance. Okay, still have some resistance. Need to break out this one. If we can break out successfully, then you can add more portion. But if cannot, maybe still in this sideway. Haven't sold out in this whole sideway. Okay, we take a look about the KLCI. About the KLCI, and we know that today is kind of for back to 1,500. So, and yesterday we also analyzed, yesterday in our live, I say that you need to stand about 1,493. Okay, do you remember? If you watched my live yesterday, you will know that yesterday. And yesterday already more than 1,500. We know that already. And now today, not so strong, but still okay. Still okay. Now the price is 1,500. 1,505. Okay, after I draw the pattern, you know that it already back to this trend line. Okay, this trend line. So it back to this sideway. Okay, because sideway is better than breakdown. Okay, if you need to choose one, of course we hope it can go up and reversal back to the uptrend, but currently because last Friday break down this sideway, so it's kind of dangerous. And less than 3 days it does cover back. So so far we can say it's okay, but we still need 2 days to confirm the price can still stand in above chance to go. Okay, this is the KLCI, and also we can take a look at the sector here. because I cannot check the yesterday. Yesterday we know that the plantation have very good bounce back because their palm oil FCPO have very good performance. Yeah, we can tell about the performance first about the FCPO. This is the FCPO, and I remember last month I have given this picture to you. At that time, last month, okay, I used the monthly chart. This is monthly chart of palm oil futures. So you can see it kind of trying to break out. Last month is just the first month to standing above breakout. So we can see current 6 days so far okay, right? So if we break after a very important resistance, so you know it becomes stronger compared to before. Before 1 time, 2 times, 3 times haven't break out. Now it's a break after already, right? So this time is better one. It's better one. So you may have some chance in this palm oil, but also need to check whether it's strong or not. Okay, whether it's strong or not. Maybe we can take a look in the homely survey. We can just call out the plantation shares. We call out the plantation shares. Okay. Plantation, and we just okay, there are totally 44 shares here. We can just filter the plantation shares with banker chips with more than 50%. Okay, which is very important. We just have a simple hold on, have a simple collection. Hold on, let me open up. Hold on, why like this? Excuse me. I need to restart one. Yeah, we should check throughout these 44 plantation shares, what kind of them have a good pattern? Not everyone you can buy. And some of them have short-term chance, some of them still stable in uptrend, okay? Maybe before they just have some correction. So we need to analyze the real trend, and then we can make a decision, make your strategy, okay? Excuse me. I think something happened with my... Yeah, and during this time, you can just send your share code number and your price and trading periods to 011-1652792. So it means that, yeah, I can check for you no matter US share or Malaysia share, no problem. Okay, we take a look. This one is the software. Technical analysis. Okay, we choose Malaysia one. Okay, we'll make it smaller so that you can see it clearly. Although I didn't invest any plantation shares. Just to show you the method. If you also find other sector here, okay, just to share the method. And okay, we filter. Only 5 of them have banker chips more than 50%. What is banker chips more than 50%? We focus on these red chips. The red chips is the banker chips which can push up the price up. Okay, so we need to focus on it. So this is a Piney Hill. Okay, Piney Hill. It's kind of a good one, right? Banker chips around 67%. We can also take a look at today's chart. Today's chart, because that end of day version is yesterday's chart, so we can also take today's chart. Today's chart also have a doji, and this is inactive. Okay, this is a TH plantation, and you know that is kind of for leading shares of this sector. And yesterday also a very good pattern because the banker chips push up, okay, break up 50% at the first day, so it's kind of for breakout day. Okay, breakout day. So yesterday have good chance, and before the whole trend also not bad, because even during the correction area, the banker chips still remains 34%. Okay, still remains 34%. So we go straight to today's chart. Today just drop a little bit. Okay, I will make it smaller. Hold on. Yeah, today a little bit smaller. Drop 3.06%. Okay. Before you can break out the previous high, okay, you can be careful. But actually, this correction is not so strong. And before we said, if the correction still standing above half of this big positive candle is still in safe area. Okay, it really depends on it because bank dips still have 57%. Okay, but if you haven't bought before, now you can wait for the chance. Okay, wait for the chance for short term because it still have some resistance ahead. Okay, be careful. But the whole trend, no big problem because we just see already standing above the white line here. White line is a boundary between the bull and the bear. Okay. And we can also take others. Okay, this is also strong one, Sarawak Plantation, 5135. And today have 2.5%. Okay, slightly up. And this is a Bolstead. Bolstead is also kind of a strong one. You already break out the white line here. Okay, yesterday also have very strong bounce back. And we can see today, but you still have some resistance. Okay, we need another 2 days to confirm it can stand above the trend line. Okay, so we can see today, this is today's chart. Today's chart also have some correction. Okay, so cannot remain. Okay, cannot remain. Okay, so just only these 5 days, you see only one of two of them a good trend, or but the good trend also just in the sideways, so can only use small correction. Okay, use small portion to do short term. But if you have it already before and you doing long term, you still can consider to hold, no big problem, cause the whole trend no problem. And the next one, we take a look about the okay. This is the palm oil. Yeah, you can also take a look at this one, no problem. And also we take a look at today's sector. Today's sector, the best performance is telecommunication and the healthcare. Healthcare is 1.20%, but actually we didn't find any good performance in the glove counters, so must be something else to drive it up. Okay, drive it up. And we can find some vaccine shares. Okay, some vaccine shares good and medical related. Of course, we can also take a look at the glove for you first. If you have a glove, the top glove still in very small, slightly drop, slightly up today because it's gap up. Okay, gap up and then goes down. It's very volatile. No, the bankers haven't follow up. Okay, only 20% now. Okay, only 20% now. And the Supermax, okay, 3%. Okay, 3% means that very slightly, okay, slightly rebound. Still have some rebound. Okay, still have some rebound. Actually, last night I also sent a word. Okay, sent a word to what? Sorry. To share the brief analysis for the glove counters or glove counters. So the one you have received already, I think you know. Okay, you know how it's going on. Okay, how it's going on. Okay, I will share you now. Yeah, this is I wrote yesterday how to think rationally about the rebound of the glove stock, because yesterday have a good rebound, right? But you need to saw it rationally. Okay, and I analyzed the sector. Yeah, so I didn't give more details of this one. And I think most of you have received already. Yeah. So if you don't receive, you haven't received it, you can also WhatsApp me. I can send you, no problem. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, means that you need to analyze rationally about every single rebound, because one rebound cannot see the whole trend. Okay, need to be careful. And we take a look about today's chart. Okay, today's chart about the vaccine shares. Vaccine shares, before I also recorded a video, and I can show you all the vaccine shares. All the vaccine shares here. Okay, this is all the vaccine shares. So recently today, good performance is a solution one, right? Solution we see 0093. Solution have 7.28%, and this morning also pushed up by the bankers. You see banker chips yesterday already no retailer. This is a very good signal. Today banker chips 79% already. This is very good. And also we draw a line here. Okay, also we can draw a line here. And it seems, okay, let's see have a breakout or not. So it's kind of trying to break out, okay, but only 2 days. We need another 2 days to confirm it can stand in above the line, okay. So after it's stand on the line with the banker chips pushing up, okay, to support, then you have better chance to break out successfully. And before I also say the vaccine shares have a good performance in long term, okay, but short term maybe you don't have a big expectations because all the news for the vaccines and the real things, okay, real performance of the vaccine is not so stable, okay. So maybe short term not a good one, but from long run it will, and it definitely will come out. It's just a matter of the time. And we also see the Due Pharma, okay. So you know all of the vaccine shares, strong vaccine shares in high at top area correction area, okay. So this 71, okay, Due Pharma, okay, Due Pharma also stronger one, and today also have 2.51%. Banker chips around 77%, okay. Also have very strong push up this morning, okay, before the morning market close, okay. And also trying to break up, but haven't break out yet, okay, haven't break out yet. This is the one with the support of the government, right? They will give some priority of this company to do some sets, okay, some sets. Okay, Due Pharma, and also in the, let's see Bintai. Okay, Bintai is still very slightly, okay, slightly up 0.7%. Banker chips also not so much, only 30% of banker chips. That's why it's just very small rebound, okay, just a small bounce back, and still haven't confirmed, haven't break out, okay. So it's not so strong, but kind of the whole trend also no big problem, okay, the whole trend no problem. Okay, let's take a look about your shares here. Winnie want to check the Due Pharma actually this morning already sent me, and but I don't know your trading. I don't know your trading cycle. You didn't tell me the price, okay? But I think this Due Pharma and the whole trend, I just say no problem. And if you do long run and you have it already, you still consider to hold because all the way standing about the yellow line. Your line is medium term, okay? Medium term still above the medium term means medium term still okay for us to hold. But if you're short term, you just go to hourly chart, okay? Hourly chart is the trend expert, okay? If it can remain above the purple line, also no problem. And to now is also red bar. Red bar means you still can consider to keep the share, okay? You can still to keep the share. But why is so slowly? Because no big money to push it up. Except this afternoon, you can just keep increasing. Then you will have bigger capital gain. Okay. Okay, let's talk about your shares here. Malcolm want to check the super. Hold on. What is the share? Bintai. Okay. Want to check the Bintai? Yeah, just now we also analyzed already. You do short term, okay? You do short term. We know that it's still in sideways. It's just the lack of the funds to push it up. So that's why. Even in the short term, not big capital gain. So we just analyze here. And we can see the hourly chart. Okay, short term so far also have a sell point here. Be careful. This is the hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart have sell point here. And yeah, so it's a choice. If you do short term, you can take a profit first. And later on, when it turns to red, you can buy it back. Okay, your entry price is 65 cents. Now you have 60 cents already, 6 cents already. But actually, this green is not so big. So means that it's the momentum in downtrend is not so strong. Like this one, this green bar is also not very big, so means no momentum. If the bar is bigger one, means momentum is stronger. Green means short-term downtrend. So if the bar is very thin, so very less momentum. Okay, and yeah, but actually, if you follow the system strictly, you sell it first and later on it turn to red, you buy it back. Okay, like that one. But if you have a higher tolerant risk, you can also make the major line as a stop loss. It really depends on you. Okay. And okay, Jax, a few of people asked me this share, including yesterday. Okay, Jax. Okay, so we check about the daily chart first. They tried yesterday have banker chips pushing up 77%. Okay, 77% to yesterday. One day have 18%. It's kind of a good chance for short term. Okay, but when we see the whole trend, it's not so good, right? It's not so good, and it's still in kind of a rebound area. We take a look at the chart. Okay. You see, it's just trying to break out the white line, but haven't confirmed yet because the first day before it haven't break out. Okay, haven't break out for a few times already, haven't break out the white line. Now it's the first time trying to break out with banker chips pushing here. But today have for some correction, but this correction is kind of a safe one because why? It's still in safe area above half of this positive candle so far, so no big problem here, right? No big problem. So if you are kind of a medium term, still no problem. But if short term, I think hourly chart also have a sell point ready. 12 o'clock have sell point ready. Okay, so this is one you do stop enter for medium term. So means that you haven't entered yet. If you haven't entered yet, you just wait for the buy point. Okay, at least when the green bar turns red bar like this. Okay, like this. When the green bar turns red bar. Okay, and the next one. Let me check about the WhatsApp. I will check both together. And the Texan, okay, cereal Texan. Whole chart of the Texan. Yesterday we also had to check this one. Have short-term chance, but and today also volatile. You see, the percentage of the bankers is 32% and the retail is 29%. 37 of them is hot money, so it's kind of for short-term chance. Okay, short-term chance. If you ask whether you can enter or not, so we can use hourly chart or 30-minute chart to check whether I have buy point or not. So this is 30 hourly chart. Hourly chart, there's no buy point, so you need to wait for wire, okay? Wait for wire until the green bar turns to red. Better is standing above the major line. Otherwise, it's also a very aggressive chance like here, okay? Better the buy point standing above the line, okay? No problem. Kevin 0010, Iris, you want to do intraday. Even you do intraday, will also need to check about the whole trend. Okay, so you see the whole trend, Iris. If we use the rainbow, we can see is kind of for rally here, kind of rally. After get support by the white line, by the blue line. So I think short term no big problem. Short term no big problem. But if the bounce back, okay, the correction is trying to finish, trying to cover back, but we need to see if you draw some lines, do you have some strong resistance here? If it cannot break out, then no big problem or no big chance. So whether you can break out or not, the funds is a big element. So you need to see the funds, the big funds, banker tips keep increasing, then you have a highly possibility to break out. Actually, now banker tips only 38%. It's not so strong. It's not so strong. Of course, compared to yesterday, it's kind of an increase, but it need to remain or just keep increasing. Otherwise, it still cannot break up the previous high. You see, that's why if you do intraday, I think now it's also kind of sideways. You do intraday, we go to tick chart, okay? Go to tick chart. Tick chart also lead the banker tips. Before 1040, have some banker tips, but later on disappear already. Now it's just sideways around this yellow color. And it's not so active, right? It's not so active. And if this afternoon is still, it can cover back, standing above the line, you still can consider, okay, with support with the banker chips. If it cannot, then, and also break down this sideway, you can consider to take a profit, okay? So this one, and I also shared before, if you want to do intraday, the good method, you can go to the quotes, okay? Not everyone you can buy, not the first 5 top gainers you can buy, but we can screw one by one to find the good pattern, to find the formula pattern, okay? If some pattern like very irregularity, for example, this is a very irregularity share, even today have 37%, is not your profit, okay? It's not profit. Okay, what kind of them is a good regularity for us? This one is low. So you see, this one, why not? You can do intraday, no problem. So because the intraday, you find the buy point in the daytime, right? In the 1 minute chart, you see here, break up the yellow line. Okay, I can also put call out the banker tips. When the price break up the yellow line, why not? You just go for it, because the whole trend is also very good. You don't need to afraid of it, because they are totally 98% of banker tips is inside to protect you, okay, to protect you. Even you drop, you still in safe area. That's why we say that in weak market we still can make safe money. You don't expect too much, but make sure you are safeguarded first. So this is the banker tips that can make you safeguarded. Okay, and we also don't know, we cannot predict we have a so big push up, okay, at around 12 o'clock. But at least you will also lose, because you can control the lose, but you don't know how big you will win, okay? So this is a good example, and it's very good regularity here. And also have members. We have members make a lot of money in this share. For example, this share, this members, okay, media turn, he trade media turn. He bought this share in hourly chart, okay, before October 27. The bought price is 31 cents. Now it already have 144% already. So that's good one, right? That is good one. And 144% in current market is really good one. Okay, he also shared that he will spend at least 1.5 hour every night to do the homework, to do the research, yeah, to filter and to analyze from long term to short term, yeah, everything, no pain, no gains, right? You also need time to analyze, not just relying on the luck, okay, or just fly in with the news, okay? Though the homework is very important. And so this is the market pay for you, for your hard work in the market, okay? Yeah, you need to do some research, but it's not so complicated, okay? The research is the one we have teach you in our one-to-one coaching and in our course. It's not need to so professional, just lead you to put it into practice. That's all, so easy, okay? And also we can keep going on. So this is one, and we go a little bit. This one, very inactive, just pass, okay? This one also inactive. You see so many lines, two price only 1 day, inactive, just. So today even have 25% is not your profit. This one, okay lah, okay, but not so good, okay? This one also good, focus dynamic, right? Or focus dynamic, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, retailer already disappeared, okay, already disappeared. And later on, break to the previous high, okay, also good, why not? So all the one you see in the intraday, you can find is very active, and also have bankers here. So easy for you to win, okay, easy for you to win. Like this one, okay, this for very short term now, okay, for very short term. Okay, Miss DIY also today have banker tips 90%. Yeah, it's a new IPO shares, new shares. So far, the trend no problem. If you have it, I think you still can consider to hold the whole trend. Is no problem. Okay, and this one not good. This one short term now, or also short term chance. Okay, this one also very safe lah. Is solution okay, solution. If you do intraday, you go to tick chart, also very strong. Okay, here you buy, later on you sell, here buy it back again, right? Okay. This for Kevin. Next one. Gina want to check 0001. It's also good performance. 2.64% is also one of the safe shares for us, because the banker chips also have 94%, all the big funds to protect you, safeguarded in the market. 2.64%, your entry price is 233. And what's your trading cycle? I think long term also no problem, but short term, I don't think today have a good buy point. But if you have it already, but considering it's a very safe share, so I think no big problem. And we can also take a look about the long term. to see whether have a strong resistance or not. Okay, it's a break new high share, so I think no big problem. If you do short term, I think here's the best buy point. If we use the KDJ, okay, we can use the KDJ or trend expert, no problem. You see, here's the buy point, right? And now it's almost reached to the previous high. So if short term, if before you bought it ready, no problem. But today seems not the best buy point because it will have some resistance by the previous high. You can just wait until it can break out successfully. For example, here, you just draw a line. Here is breakout. You can buy here, okay? No problem. And this is 0001. Okay, next one, please check retro. This is a retro. Want to check 7192. Good way. It's good name. Good way. 0.9% short term. Okay, it's also safe shares with banker dips 91%. Okay, very safe share. But if your entry price, I think it's not today. Before also good pattern. If you do short term, we go to hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart have sell point already. Sell point at 12 o'clock today already. Means if you enter before, this is a recent buy point for short term. Buy point for short term is yesterday 10 o'clock, and today have a sell point ready. So if you buy here and you sell here, short term you can make 7.7%. Okay, 7.7%. If you buy 200,000, you can make 20,000. Okay, around 12,000. Sorry, 12,000. 7%, okay, you need to follow here. So retro, if you're not member, you also get the software to follow. Otherwise, short term is very aggressive one. First thing, very important for us to filter the shares. Second thing, very important for us to find the right time to buy and take the profit. Otherwise, how to make money in the market, right? Okay. And 80, Unison. Also kind of a strong share. Whole trend also very good. Yesterday have very good push up. Today still a little bit shaking here. Enterprise is 5.99, and the banker chips 92%. So we take a look at the hourly chart. Also short term have sell point ready if you do short term. Because you say you do medium short term. Medium short term, you also take the main line, the major line as your stop loss. Okay. So it really depends on you. But the whole trend so far no big problem. Okay, no big problem. And your short term defensive price also can set here. Is around 5.82. Okay, 5.82. So still no big problem. And okay, let's take a look at the comment here. And okay, Lamb. Okay, Lamb put 9172. 9172. Okay, we can see this share. Of course, here is the way you can check your share. Here's the way you can check your share. Can just WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and the trading cycle. I will check for you. FOMSA. And enterprise 1.6 short term to medium term. It's a little bit volatile this year. A lot of the chips is yellow one, so it can increase, but a little bit shaken one, a little bit shaken one in uptrend. Banker chips 32%, so your capital gain is not so much, so big. And if you do short term, we can see hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart have sell point at 12 o'clock already. Be careful, be careful, because you do short term. Okay, comfort from Christine. Comfort, the glove one, glove one. Today also have continue the bounce back. 2% or 2%. Banker chips a little bit increased to 48% already. And if you do short term, I think no big problem. And you bought a little bit high. Okay, bought a little bit high. We go to hourly chart. Hourly chart still red color, still can consider to hold. Okay, until it turns to green, then you can take a profit. But now is still red color. Okay, so no big problem. But the bar a little bit smaller, so means losing a little bit momentum in uptrend. But so far still can consider to hold until it turn to green. Until it turn to green, you can just cut loss. Even you still lose money because you are kind of chasing high before, according to your price. Brian already, okay, the glove shares. 80. 80. Enterprise 1.2. Short term. Okay, short term, no problem. Short term, we check the whole trend first. Before we also shared this share. Is this one? 80, okay, no problem. And 80 system. Okay. Bank chips is 71%, keep increasing. And here also have some resistance. We check whether it break out or not. Okay, we check break out or not. Trying to break out. Okay, trying to break out. Make sure you can stand in above, then should be no problem. And you do short term, I think 30-minute or hourly chart, no problem for you. And this is the hourly chart. Hourly chart is still red color. So just a little bit slowly recently, because also have some resistance by the trend line. Okay, so be careful. Make sure you can stand above that line. So far still have funds to support. Okay, so still can consider to hold. But the whole trend, you have checked already. Okay, whole trend check already. So far have support with the banker chips. This is a good sign. On the next one, Chin 0040, OpenSeas enterprise is 62 cents yesterday. Short term, whole trend. Let's see the whole trend. It's also in sideways. Only short term chance. Okay. This is hourly chart. Okay, sorry. This is hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart, and we can see here is the sell point already. Have sell point already. So be careful. The sell point is yesterday 5 p.m. So be careful about this one. Excuse me. My charge a little bit out of battery. Okay, I gonna a little bit faster here. Okay, Gemstone 0188. HLD is medical related shares. Medical related shares are also in this daily chart, also in this one. Banker chips is still 38%, also strong. So you do short term, I think a little bit careful. Okay, short term hourly chart also lose momentum. But so far it haven't turned to green. But if this afternoon it turn to green, be careful. Okay, but if it didn't, so still can consider to hold. Okay, so another one 0002 7 PUC from iron. Average price is 33 cents. It's very sideways here. 33 cents, a little bit high, chasing high before, right? And it's a kind of sideways here. I think you do medium term or medium long term as your habit, as a trading cycle of other shares. But this share is not so strong. It's a little bit inactive. Okay, a little bit inactive. I think not this one. Okay, so this is the one. You see a whole trend. It's already break out the white line, no problem. But it's the funds just keep decreasing to 17% already. And so it's not so big rally. But maybe if you do medium long term, but still in this safe correction area. But short term, you just find the area to exit. And when you break out, okay, when you can break out, then you consider to enter. Okay, otherwise you need to wait for 1 year. But medium term is a normal correction area. Okay. And okay, so actually yeah, also have some other members can make money, or okay, need to take the profit in time. Okay, today 10 o'clock have sell point already. Before 2 days only I have 28%. Okay, and also yeah, so this is almost all for today's sharing of your shares. And of course, if you want to check more shares, check more shares of your check other shares after the live. If you want to attend a home list preview class, if you want to join my WhatsApp broadcast group, you can just WhatsApp to me 011-1652-7962. And also the preview class is Saturday, okay? Preview class, I can show you. Saturday, 2 p.m., okay? And the Mandarin one, Saturday, Saturday, 2 p.m. For non-members, members can attend. English is Sunday, okay? Sunday have English provision. So if you want to attend, okay, you can just WhatsApp me. So that's almost all for today's video. Thanks for your watching, and can give me a like if you can benefit or learn something from today's video, and also share this video out. And also, at the last thing, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and then you can receive all the notification of this channel. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I think today the internet no problem, so I can keep the same one, still continue. Otherwise, I want to change to the recorded version. And also, if you have other topics you want to learn, you can also let me know, and I will try to do some content. Okay, and of course, your support and your like is always a big matters to me. Thank you very much.
不知道这竟是结局，在美的银河坠入山谷的梦里，我会醒来也忘记梦境，因为你不知道，你也不会知道，失去的就已经失去。当一艘船沉入海底，当一个人成了谜，你不知道他们为何离去，那声再见竟是他最后一句。当一辆车消失天际，